Good morning, guys. I'm Vanessa. So today I'm going to do my shower routine, but I thought I would show you guys my fresh face before I start anything. I'm not going to show you like a full facial hygiene as yet, because I have a separate video that I'm going to make more in depth for you to see all the products that I use and what's actually working for me. So that's quite a routine, so stay tuned soon for that video to come. So with this shower routine this morning, I'm in no rush, so I'm just going to show you guys what I do to help me with hyperpigmentations and like dark spots on my skin, how I'm able to clear this up, and the products that I use is fairly basic. Also, I've got the Dr. Bronners, this is in the peppermint, so I haven't got the liquid with me. As I said earlier, that I will be having this delivered soon, so I would have to go and pick up the liquid version of the peppermint. So I will be using this in my shower routine today, so you see this feature. I'm going to go and wash my face and then I'll be going in the shower. So guys, I'm going to be using my African sponge. It's a really long, it's a long net. Ever since I've been using this, I just feel squeaky clean whenever I use it. So I'm definitely going to be using this more than I use my loofahs and stuff. So I'm going to have this. Then I'm going to take my Dr. Bronners and the peppermint. Okay. So it's all in one. And this is a new one I'm showing you anyway. We're using my bar soap first. And I get my little African cloth and I just, look at that, I've literally just gone like that and you can already see the lather of it. So, and it smells amazing, the peppermint smells gorgeous. So, that's that. You can see, watch the way it lathers. Guys, it gives me a fresh natural scent. Oh guys, it smells so nice, the peppermint. It smells really, really good. Make sure you get your armpits really well. So this sponge is really, really good as well. It makes so any dark marks helps to fade. Then guys, I am going to go in with my Dr. Bronners as well. Liquid. The roll.
So guys, now I've been using this brush for the last 3 months on my chest and neck areas because I have little dark spots. You probably can't see them as much. So I just put my Dr. Bronners and body wash and I just put it on the top of the brush, and now I turn the brush on and use this underneath the armpits. I've been using this for the last 3 months, so I am seeing some improvement. So if you have hyperpigmentation or back or chest acne and dark marks and things like that, you can actually use this method and just let the brush like clean all the areas, and I just leave it on for a few minutes and just glide the brush around all my affected areas. And yeah, this is how I keep my skin really clean and clear. So this is a good tip. The brush, I will link it down in my description.
Hey guys, so now that I'm out the shower, I am going to use this Nivea firming body lotion, and this is in the normal skin. And then I'm also going to use my bio oil. It's all on these areas, so I'm going to mix these so make my skin glowy, and also it just helps to get rid of hyperpigmentations and just fade dark marks. So when I moisturize my skin, make sure you get your back as well. So then it helps to fade dark marks. I just get a little bit, few drops, rub it in the palm of my hands, and then I'll just apply it and try to get this kind of area as well. So when you wear vest tops, it helps to fade marks over time.